Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to clean C drive and make your PC more faster. So let's begin our video. First of all, what you need to do, you just need to press Windows plus R key from your keyboard. Right now you just need to type here preface. So here you can say I type preface and select OK. Right now select any file from here and select Ctrl plus A, and right now you just need to delete all from here. If you cannot delete any file, you just need to skip it. So right now again let's back and select Windows plus R key from here and type here TEMP and select OK. Right now you just need to delete all from here. So right now let's back and select again Windows plus R key. So right now what you need to do, you just need to type %temp%. Select OK. Right now select any file, select Ctrl plus A and select Shift plus delete key and select yes and continue. If you cannot delete any file, you can skip it. So that's it. Right now let's back. And right now you just need to delete recycle bin. Continue. Well, right now what you need to do, you just need to go on your search option and type uninstall. And you can find add or remove program. Select it. And you just need to check out which apps is totally unnecessary for you. You just need to delete those kind of app from here. How can you delete it? Just select the app and you can find the option uninstall. Just select uninstall and you can delete it. So if you follow the all process step by step, you can easily clean C drive from your PC and you can make your PC more faster. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.